Is your productivity stopped because XrmToolBox Application can't find the Xrnm.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To kick off the manual repair for Xrnm module, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Xrnm module, a specialized game resource or network management module. It manages the unmanaged data link between game assets and the hardware manifest for localized titles. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Xrnm is part of the XrmToolBox Application package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of XrmToolBox Application will repair missing or damaged components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Xrnm module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please use caution. Replacing Xrnm module DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Xrnm module management references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Xrnm module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.